friends, and welcome to CoCo's Cucina. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I truly do appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking the subscribe button. Also, if you click on the notification bell, it allows you to be notified when any new videos have been released. The like button just basically says that you like the video and the effort that I put in to put the video out. The share button means that you would like for somebody else to look at the video that you know have not probably seen it from my channel. So yeah, like, comment, and share. So today, guys, what I am going to do for you is a fried turkey chop. It's a fried turkey chop. Yes, so the fried turkey chops were introduced to me by my friend slash co-worker Tamika. Tamika turned me on to these. So I am going to go ahead and fry them. And of course, I'm going to make a gravy to go along with it. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a chicken fry, you know, where I have a wet and dry batter. So I think I'm going to do that and kind of do a chicken fry turkey chop. And so I'll also make some sides to go along with it. So yeah, I just want you guys to come along and ride on this fantastic voyage. All right, family, so we are getting ready to do our wet and dry mixture for my chicken fry turkey chop. So I'm going to season my flour. This is a little pepper. And of course, I got to do just going to do a little bit of all of this adobo. And of course the onion powder, and of course garlic powder, and of course special seasoning. All right. So and just get that whisk around nicely. Everything is evenly distributed. And so here is going to be the beginning of my wet mix. So I've got my 2 eggs, I've got some garlic paste, I've got a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And I'm just going to kind of incorporate this as best as I can, where this garlic is beat up. As best as possible. I got my oil is over here melting. I've already cleaned my turkey chops and they're in the strainer. So I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. I only got 2 chops, so it's not like I need a lot. Okay, so that's my wet and that's my dry. So we're gonna go ahead and get these babies drenched. So here they are, already cleaned, and they've already been allowed to drain. And it has one little nice bone right here that I'm holding. So I'm gonna just go ahead and both put them in the wet mixture, okay? And as soon as my oil is ready, we'll come back and get this process started and over with. All right, so we got these lamb, saying lamb chops, but they're not lamb, it's turkey. So I've got them in the little wet mixture. I'm gonna dip it in the dry mixture. one time. And that's just a seasoned flour. I'm gonna trade places. I'll do the same with this one. One time. Flip this over. Dip it again. Do that one. Dip it again. Yeah. And then that's it, guys. My skillet should be ready here momentarily for me to go ahead and start this frying process. I think I'm gonna have to add just a little bit more flour though. Just a little bit of flour. All right, guys. I think my Earl is hot. And ready. All right, so I'll let you guys see this once it's all done. All right, family, it looks like they are just about done. So I'm gonna give them a couple more minutes and basically they're done. I will, show you the finished result in just a moment. Just stay tuned.